Good morning, students. Previous class, Geography, Unit 4, Resources and Industries. Under this topic, yesterday, metallic minerals I took. In metallic minerals, iron ore and manganese yesterday completed. Today, copper. Copper is the first metal used by the prehistoric man. Being flexible with the help of copper, the utensils were made. Utensils were made with the help of copper. In the modern days, from copper, used by the copper for manufacturing of electrical machinery, wire and cable were manufactured. The copper found in our country, in India, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. These states more and more widely spread the copper. Bauxite. Bauxite is an important ore, main ore. From the bauxite, aluminium is extracted. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite. Bauxite is mainly found in laterite soil. The bauxite is used by the people and manufacture aircraft, automobile engine, and also the bauxite is used for manufacturing of cement and chemicals. The bauxite is widely spread in our country, Odisha, Gujarat and Jharkhand. Next, listen here carefully, students. Non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals containing mica, limestone and gypsum. I am going to explain you mica. In the ancient period, mica is used for Ayurvedic medicine, and mica is mostly widely used in the electrical industry. The development of electrical industry is mainly due to the use of mica. Abarak is the good quality of mica. With the use of mica, they manufacture insulating properties, and also with the help of mica, they manufactured in lubricants, medicines, paint and varnishes. The major mica producing areas are Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Odisha. Next, limestone. Limestone is associated with the rocks. It is composed of calcium carbonate and magnesium. The Sial limestone is containing silica and aluminium. Sial means silica and aluminium. Limestone is containing the silica and aluminium, Sial, and iron oxide, phosphorus and sulfur. The limestone, with the help of limestone, the industries were, more and more industries were, chemicals were used with the help of limestone. With the help of limestone, the chemicals were produced. For example, soda ash, caustic soda, bleaching powder, paper, cement, iron and steel. These are all produced from limestone. The limestone widely spread in our country are Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Next, gypsum. Gypsum is associated with the hydrated sulfate of calcium. It is one of the white transparent mineral of sedimentary rocks. With the help of gypsum, the uses of limestone, sandstone, shale. The gypsum, with the help of gypsum, they manufactured in cement, fertilizer, wallboard, plaster of Paris. The gypsum is mostly found in our country, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Tamil Nadu. Next, energy resources. The resources in which electricity generated are called energy resources. The energy resources was mostly widely used in our country. The country's economic development, economic activities or economic development is mainly due to the energy resources. In our country, the industry development of any places mainly for energy resources. Energy resources classify into two. One is the non-renewable energy, another one is the renewable energy. Renewable energy. First, we are going to see first non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy, first one, coal. Coal is found in mainly in the sedimentary rock. The coal, with the help of coal, more and more energy development of a country is mainly for coal. It is used for thermal power. The industry development of country was mainly for coal. It is called as black gold. The industrial development of our country mainly due to coal. It is also called as black gold. The coal was classified into anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. These are all the classification of coal. The coal was divided into four types. One is anthracite, second one bituminous, third one lignite, fourth one peat. Yes, listen here now, students. It is used innumerable, coal were used for innumerable uses. It is converted into, coal is converted into gas, oil, electricity and thermal power. Coal was the raw material for chemicals, dyes, fertilizers and paints. In our country, Coal is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh. Listen here students. Next, petroleum. Petroleum is derived from the two Latin words. Petro, oleum. Petro means rock. Oleum means oil. Oil obtained from the rock of the earth is known as petroleum. It is containing the mineral oil. The petroleum was used for the purpose of fuel for automobile, ships and locomotives, the rail engines like that. In our country, both Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat, Eastern coastal area and Western coastal area, more and more petroleum were produced. The petroleum produced in our country, the coastal areas are seashore, offshore like that. Mumbai, Gujarat, Cambay, Ahmedabad and Brahmaputra and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. More and more petroleum were produced. Next, natural gas. Natural gas accompanies with petroleum. It is containing, natural gas containing hydrocarbon gas. Mixture of methane it is included with the natural gas. Natural gas is given more and more energy resources for decomposed plants and animals. For thousands of years, the heat were increased and pressure also develops. It is one of the source of energy for heating. Not only energy for heating, cooking and electricity generation also, natural gas were used. The natural gas in our country, mainly the place like Mumbai High, more and more natural gas are produced. The oil field, Mumbai High oil field, more and more natural gas were produced, noted. And in our country, the natural gas produced areas are Gujarat, Assam, Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. Gas Authority of India Limited is the pioneer work were done by the Gas Authority of India Limited, and the natural gas are more and more natural gas were developed in this GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, and the natural gas were discovered in the year 1985. Listen here students, today we learned types of minerals containing metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. Metallic mineral containing metals known as metallic mineral. Non-metallic mineral do not contain metals known as non-metallic mineral. Under the metallic mineral, today I explain you iron ore, manganese, copper and bauxite. These metallic minerals I explained you today, and where what are the uses of these metallic minerals and where it is found I explained you. Next, non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals containing mica, limestone, gypsum, potash and dolomite. These are all called non-metallic mineral. I explain you what are the uses of mica and what are the uses of limestone and where it is found, and gypsum also I explained. Next, I explained you energy resources. Energy resources divided into two. One is the renewable energy resources, another one is non-renewable energy resources. Today, we learn non-renewable energy resources. Containing non-renewable energy resources, coal, petroleum and natural gas. There are four types of coal is there. One is anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Yes, coal is the uses of coal I explained you, and petroleum. More and more petroleum were found Andaman Nicobar Island and Tanjore in Tamil Nadu and other places I explained you. And next, natural gas. Natural gas, the decomposed animals and plants heat pressure were increased for the 1,000 years. With the help of these heat and pressure, the natural gas were produced in our country. I explained you, noted. Okay then, tomorrow we'll see students.